Now we have decorated the home and set up our festive door decor. Let's add a little sweetness to the holiday spirit because what's festival without cookies? One of my favorite traditions is baking homemade festival cookies. The smell of fresh baked cookies filling the house instantly makes it feel warm, cozy, and full of holiday cheer. Start with the classic sugar cookie dough, simple, buttery, and perfect for cutting into festival shapes like stars, trees, and snowflakes, and also Christmas tree. Once they are baked, gather the family around for the best part. Decorating. Use colorful icing, sprinkles, and edible glitter to make each cookie unique and festive. If you want something richer, try chocolate dipped gingerbread cookie. The warm spice of gingerbread mixed with sweet chocolate is the perfect holiday combination. You can even wrap them up in little festive bags with ribbons to give as thoughtful homemade gifts. For a bit of fun, creating a cookie decorating station for your holiday party. Set out different icing candy topping at small piping bags and let everyone decorate their own treat. It's a great activity for kids and adults alike. And the best part, you get to eat your masterpiece afterward. And don't forget the classic tradition, leaving cookie out for Santa Claus on festival evening. Place a plate of your well-decorated cookie next to a glass of milk by the fireplace or under the festival tree. It's a small but magical gesture that adds to the holiday excitement, especially for the little ones. Festival cookies are not just desserts, they are memories. Baking together, laughing, and enjoying the sweet smells of cinnamon and sugar in the air is what truly makes the holiday special. If you like the video, if you like that ideas, we collected these ideas for you. If you want to watch more designs, if you want to get more ideas, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn more illustration painting ideas, join us